I have got some very interesting facts about the language English and you're going to love them. Let us start with the first one. The sound of E in English can be spelled in 7 different ways. And I'm going to give you one sentence which will have all 7 ways used. So let us start. He believed Caesar could see people seizing the seas. If you will see, the sound E has been used 7 times and all of these 7 times the spelling has been different. Either it is a single E or it is E, V, or it is A, E, or it is E, A, or it is just simply E, E. Find it out yourself. The words that are often used in English to fill time like, basically, so these are crutch words. You call them crutch words, although they are acceptable, but they should be avoided. The original word for butterfly was flutterby. Did you know that? So butterfly used to be flutterby earlier. Interesting, no? The phrase long time no see is actually grammatically absolutely incorrect, but we still use it. It is a literal translation of a Native American or Chinese phrase, which is absolutely incorrect if you talk about grammar. The first English dictionary was written in 1755 and you often refer to it as a dictionary of English language. It took him, Samuel Johnson wrote this dictionary, and it took him near about 7 years to complete that dictionary, and it was published in 1755. It is often regarded as the greatest single achievements of scholarship. The next one that I have on the list is very interesting. You're going to love it. The word with most number of meanings, and the word is set. Set has 430 different meanings in English language. I have a few examples for you, like set of even numbers, bedroom set, setting your keys down, setting in stone, something that you want to make permanent. So these are just 4 examples, and then there are several others. You can go and check them up. Actually, it has a record in the Guinness World Records. You can go and check guinnessworldrecords.com. You will see it there. Trust me, go and see it. Shakespeare invented many English words like undress, dwindle, torture, birthplace. So these are just a few out of the many he had added to English language. I'll give you a few more. Bandit, dauntless, green-eyed. So green-eyed is used for jealousy. All of these have been contributed by Shakespeare. So how many are the total number of dialects that are to English? There is no specific answer to this one, but if you have to give it a number, there are as many as 29 in England, 29 distinct dialects for only the language English. Then there are 27 in America and 14 in India, among the several others which I haven't included on the list. The word lol was added to Oxford English Dictionary on the 24th of March 2011. So yeah, not too old. Origin of English language. English language was originated from somewhere in Germany, northwest Germany, southern parts of Denmark and Netherlands. So English language started from there and now everybody uses it. The last one on the list is a pangram. What is a pangram? Pangram is a sentence which has every letter of the alphabet. And I hope you know what alphabet is. Alphabet is the set of 26 letters together. You call it alphabet. So there is nothing like alphabets. No, they are letters in English alphabet. Okay. So pangram is a sentence which has all the letters of the English alphabet. And now I'm going to give you the most popular pangram in the world. The most popular one is a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. If you're going to search, you will find all the 26 letters of the alphabet here. Pakka, check it out. Did you enjoy this video? I loved making this one. If you enjoyed it, good. Stay hooked onto the channel. I will be back with another such video very soon. You take care of yourself and I'll see you again. Bye.